Hey everyone! We're so excited because in 1 week we'll be in Iceland. So about a month ago we found this amazing deal with WOW Air, an Icelandic airline, that allowed us to fly to Iceland for $50 a person. There was one condition though, and that condition is that we have to pack everything we need for 1 week into one backpack. Nothing else, no carry-on, no purse, just a backpack and the clothes we have on our body. Here's a list of everything you will need for a week in Iceland. You will want to bring 5 pairs of pants total to wear around, 1 pair of waterproof pants, 1 pair of jeans, and 3 pairs of leggings for your base layers. Continuing with base layers, you will want 2 camis, 2 long sleeve shirts, then 1 thermal turtleneck for your outdoor activities. Bring 2 casual sweaters for your more active days, and then use them as pajama tops to save space. Finally, pack 1 cute sweater for your days out in the city. Now for the actual packing. Grab your jeans, leggings, and sweater, and fold them together like so. Make sure the corners line up for a perfectly clean roll. Roll as tight as you can from the bottom up, turning your clothes into a baby burrito. Now, all you have to do is repeat this for the following outfits. Here's a little trick I learned. It's a great way to fold your remaining shirts to help save space. Fold the bottom half of your shirt inside out. Then fold over half of the shirt. Fold the sleeve down and fold the part left over back up. Repeat this step for the other side. Now twist the shirt around and roll it up tightly. Then find the flap and pull it around. Voila! Another baby burrito. Now for the socks. Here's a little trick I use to make my socks as compact as possible. Put one on top of the other, fold down the top ankle corner, then roll up from the bottom and fold the flap around. If you are really trying to travel light and avoid those extra baggage fees, don't forget about the extra space in your jacket pockets. It really saved me space and allowed me to pack some thicker socks, which is so necessary for Iceland. Only bringing 1 pair of shoes is a huge space saver. Just make sure they are comfortable and definitely waterproof for all of your waterfall exploring. So this is what I'm wearing on the plane: my jacket filled with socks, my thermal pullover, a sweater, and a turtleneck. Oh, I also wanted to mention that I packed a foldable bag that I can use to throw my layers in if I get too hot at the airport. It's also eco-friendly, so I can use it to carry my groceries when I go shopping in Iceland. This bag was a huge help and was actually used so often. Hopefully this helps you learn how to pack a little lighter, so when you see a cheap flight, you don't have to rack up the baggage fees. Post any questions in the comment section below.